Hello, I'm Anthony Bracero, and this is coding problem set 2.4. We're going to be using the problem set from coding problem 2, except we're going to be using a recursive bisection search for the minimum monthly payment. All right, so we're going to set our balance to 5,000. And then we're going to have a temp balance. That way we would refer back to our original balance after we manipulate it. So our annual interest rate equal 18%, and our monthly interest rate equal the annual interest rate divided by 12. And then we're going to have our high and low. So our high is going to equal the balance times the monthly interest rate. And looking down here, 1 month. It's going to times 1. No, plus 1. And then we're going to get that to the power of 12 and then divide that by 12. Our low is going to equal the balance divided by 12. And then we want a small number, so we're going to use epsilon and put that as 1%. And we're going to have our minimum pay, which is going to equal our high plus our low. Divide that by 2. All right, so now let's get on to our recursive method. So we're going to define recurring payment. We're going to have the values of the balance, the month, minimum pay, and monthly interest rate. All right, so while the month is less than 12, our balance owed is going to equal our balance minus the minimum pay. And then here's where the recursion happens. Val equals balance owed plus monthly interest rate times balance owed. And then our month is going to increment by 1, and we're going to return the balance. All right, so now while absolute value of balance is greater than or equal to epsilon, our balance is going to equal our temp balance month equals 0, and our balance from our recursion method, copy, paste, and if our balance is less than 0, our low equals the minimum payment, else our high equals minimal payment. All right, so our minimum payment will return back to here. There you go. And we should be able to print this. So print lowest payment. Round it. String min pay 2. All right, and if we run this code, oh, did not mean to put n right here. All right. And our type string. Okay. So we're just going to have to define this ourselves. So we have minimum pay equals round min pay 2 decimal places. All right, so all we gotta do is take this out, string minimum pay, take one of these out, and if we run it, our lowest payment is $451.63, and that is coding problem 2.4 using recursion.